Alright, hey guys, welcome to How to Code in Java, and today you are here with me, Code Talks, and we are gonna be talking about strings. This video is more of a tips and tricks type video in our How to Code in Java series, just to make your life a bit easier with some string manipulation you might have to do. So first, I just want to quickly show you guys how to figure out the length of a string. I don't know if I've covered that before, but how you do it is s.length, and you do it with brackets, unlike an array where you would take away the brackets. And how this would work, it would take away. I mean, it would calculate the number of characters in the array, including spaces. So, um, the next thing I want to show you is string tokenizers. So string tokenizers, you'd usually use a string tokenizer just to split up a string. You could pick a delimiter. So how you'd pick a delimiter is you could, for each character, you could just kind of add separate delimiters. But I'm just going to use the default delimiter because I just want to show you guys the spaces, how the spaces work. So I'm just going to use a while loop from our loops video. st dot has more tokens. So if we read the constructor summary, it tests if more tokens are available from the string. So that's why I like to use IntelliJ, because you can. I really like the layout, but okay, that's besides the point. Print ln st dot next token, and this should print out hello comma, and then on the next line it print world. So let's output that very quickly. Alright, good to go. Hello and world we separated by space. Again, you could pick the delimiters, but um, I'd use the string tokenizer for spaces most of the time, just because of the other ways I'm about to show you. Let's say you want to split the string into each letter. You could do it into a char array, and what you could do s, so this works for strings only, to char array. And now if I use a for each loop like I showed you in the arrays video, char c in our system.out.println c. So basically, for those of you who haven't watched my last video, um, char c is going to kind of emulate each element in the array, and I'm going to print out each element. So you can see it's separated by characters. Each character is going to be on a separate line because I use println. Okay, and you can see that worked beautifully. So let's say you didn't really want the array, but you did want to loop through each character. A quicker way to do this is you could just do s.toCharArray over here. So you don't have to kind of waste time creating that whole array and then referencing it. Alright, so the next method I'm going to show you is also quite useful, like all of the methods I'm going to show you. So let's say you were going to get input, and you knew all of the inputs were going to have spaces. Yes, you could use a string tokenizer, but this way is a bit faster. So I can do in.nextLine because I've already declared my scanner above. And let's say I knew what the delimiter was going to be, like commas, or again, you could use string tokenizers, but I like this because it puts it right into a string array right away. So let's say I knew that I wanted to split it just like I would split a char array. I could just do a regex like this. Or let's say I knew it was going to have commas. So I'm just going to quickly print out string s in R. Have I already used s? Probably have str. Does that work? Yes. Okay. So I could just system.out.println. I can print out each str, And I'm just gonna quickly run that to show you that split method, you can pick the delimiter. And if you just did split normally, I'm pretty sure the default is spaces, but I always use the regex associated with it. So let's say I have string, or you know what, do some self promotion. Code talks is awesome. Alright, and you can see it'll split it by whatever delimiter I pick over here. So to wrap up the video, I want to show you .replace. So replace is a very useful method that I use very little because I never really have to replace stuff, and whenever I have to replace stuff, I kind of make my own kind of way to do it because replace for this reason. So let's get an input. Um, and I want to replace str dot replace. I want to replace every I want to replace every dot or every space. I want to replace it with a comma. Let's just say that. And then I just print out str. And you can see what happens. So I'm gonna copy this very quickly before that goes. And I did. I'm so used to coding in Python. Oh my. And the Python series is coming. Just stay tuned. All right. So I'm just gonna copy paste this here. Code talk is awesome. Yeah, I know, of course. Oh, let's. What am I looking for? Spaces. Code. Oh, str dot replace old char, new char. What is going on? Do I have to do like str dot use? I haven't used the replace method in a long time. I'm pretty sure that should fix it. Okay. And then I do. Yeah. So you can see I replaced all the instances of a space, old char with the new char. So this was a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and comment down below what you want to see next. Um, but yeah, this is my short summary on string methods that might be very useful to you guys. All right, thanks for watching.